Today is Monday, and what that means in the Nelson household is that it's also laundry day. That's right, we have a specific day that we do laundry, and we've picked Monday. What I like to say is we have 1 day of laundry and 6 days of freedom. So we're not doing laundry every day. And if that is a routine that's working well for you, keep it up. Do whatever is working well for you. But if you would like more freedom from laundry, this is an option that I want to share with you. Okay, here's how we do it. So on Monday morning, right when we wake up, one of the kids gets their laundry in, and they independently do their laundry by age 8. By age 3 and 4, even 2, they're helping to get the laundry in. They're helping to get it in and out and be part of their laundry early on. I'm saying 2, 3, definitely by 4, they are helping with their own laundry. You are right by their side. You're helping them get it in. They're helping to get the soap in, push the start button. We're switching the laundry, then we're getting it out of the dryer, taking it to their room, and they're helping to put it away. Now, when I say it's laundry day, everything gets done that day. We're not just gonna wash it and forget about it. Been there, done that. We're gonna wash it, dry it, and put it away. So you're not completely done until everything is put away. So we start that expectation early on with our kids. And if you haven't started yet, but you want to, now's the time. It is not too late. Start now. And sit down with your kids before laundry day and let them know, okay, everybody lives here. We are all a family, so it's important that we all contribute. So we're going to do that by making sure that kids are in charge of their own laundry. And there's so many benefits to this. What's so great about about having them be in charge of this is it helps them take ownership and responsibility within the home. What are the benefits of that? It can combat entitlement. Yeah, sign me up for combating kids with entitlement. Absolutely. And so we need to give them responsibilities and expectations within the home. And laundry is such a great place for that to happen. It is, the clothes are theirs. It is their responsibility. They should clean it. They should care for them. And as they do so, I believe that they learn to treat things better and care for things better and feel more connected and part of the family as they're contributing within the home. And like I said, less entitlement. So we pick the day the first child starts and they get their laundry in. And oftentimes I'm there reminding, okay, it's time to go ahead and switch your laundry. Okay, next child, go ahead and get your laundry in. And they get their laundry in. And then let's say we go somewhere or they go to a breakdance class and there's hours where it's not getting done, but they didn't fully finish. So when they come home, they're then going to put their laundry away or switch their laundry. But the goal is before bedtime, everybody has finished their laundry in the family and it's put away. And we don't even think about it for another week. It's so great. They have the clothes that they need for upcoming sports or dance or whatever it is. Everything's cleaned and ready to go. Now, of course, you have to be flexible. Like I said, sometimes you may be on vacation or something came up the day that you picked. So we usually just pick the very next day as soon as we can and get started in getting it done that whole day. And there's times where maybe a child's gone and their laundry's holding up the next person's laundry. So I go ahead and help with that and finish. I'll help them switch it, or I'll take it to their room so when they get home, they can put it away. So you can do this laundry day. I have been doing this, I'm telling you, like probably 18 years. 18 years I have picked 1 day of laundry and just stuck to that day and tried, of course, being flexible, but pretty much staying to 1 day so that I'm not doing laundry every day. I can just take that off my plate. I don't have to think about it. And I choose Monday because that's a day we are home and getting other things done. So I'm like, yeah, we can make this happen on a Monday. Another thing is, like I mentioned, combating entitlement and being a contributor of the family. And you may think, oh, my child's so young, but you know what you're giving them? You are giving them so much to have this life skill, this self-help life skill to learn to be responsible, to do their laundry, to have a plan, to finish a task, to not only start our laundry, to get all the way through and put it away. It's a great feeling. And have there been days when I've left the laundry or forgotten about it? For sure. Like if there's a random day when I need to do a load because something came up or something's dirty, those things happen. But the majority of our weeks, we just do laundry once a week. I swear by it. I think it can help you. So if you want your kids to be more responsible and to be in charge of their laundry, and you just want to deal with that 1 day a week, go ahead and try that method out. But if you have another system that is working well for you and your family, keep it up.